Hello guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. I know we haven't posted, but just technical difficulties. Sorry about that. We're back. Back again. I got myself a new chauffeur. Where are you gonna eat?
Huh?
Where are you gonna take me to eat? For what? Stripes. Hello guys, welcome back. I'm just waiting on my beautiful woman. It's over there in the room. We got this for Anastasia, so she could be there. Baby! Ay, gorda, you pay attention to daddy. Hi, mamas. She's like, no, dad. Alright, so today we're gonna be doing a little gingerbread house together. Bought it at Michael's. Hey. She got them beautiful earrings on.
There are some, what are they, candy?
Candy. Mints.
The mint ones? I don't know what they're called.
Alright.
What's that?
I don't know. We got all the wood for the house, the wood.
We have matching
From last year.
From last year, because I was not pregnant. Was I pregnant? I don't think I was
Yeah, it was in
pregnant.
December.
I was pregnant?
Yeah.
Instruction.
Alright, we don't need this. You don't need these either?
Okay.
Not playing.
Oh.
Here, I don't know.
We're gonna build the house in this cardboard box.
It says here,
It's blurry.
step 1, right here.
I wanna eat it.
Can we eat it or?
Yeah, after. Oh my god, they smell so good.
Okay.
Smell it? Smells like wood. Man, shit. Don't eat it yet.
Step 2, prepare the base. Make the base.
Okay, grab a cup or a mug.
All you need to do, love, I got this. I'm a work in construction.
You have to put the base first. Hurry, because and then no, this is the base. That's the roof.
What's the base?
The base will be this one. These are the bases. Should we put the house first?
Why is it falling apart?
Huh?
Why is it falling apart? it going?
Good. Huge mess.
You know.
Who did that?
You?
You did.
It's okay, Navis.
You're the one who's gonna clean it.
No. Holiday spirit. It's cute though.
We made a lot of mess. But this is the end of our gingerbread house. What do you think it's gonna look like? But in reality.
Actually, yours came out a little bit more better than mine.
Like the side, this is my side.
No, it's not.
That's my
No, it's
side.
not.
Yes,
No,
it
it's
is.
not.
My zigzag is way prettier than your zigzag.
Mine more bedazzled. And I got
Oh, yeah.
snowflake, and I got chanded snow.
I didn't have chance because mine popped.
And I'm gonna buy lights for it.
I wasn't.
And grass and a dog and a girl and the baby and me.
They gave us 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But I didn't know where to put it, so I just put it in the top. And then over here, there's 2 windows. And over here, other 2 windows. And in the back, it's a huge window and some lights. But I think it looks really pretty. It looks really, really nice.
It does look, it looks beautiful.
Thank you very much.